Question 4. Shopkeeper recorded daily sales S of ice cream along with the daily maximum temperature T. The results for 1 week are shown below. So you've got the temperature and the number of ice creams that were sold. Write down the equation for the regression line for S on T. So this is actually showing that T is your independent variable and S is your dependent variable. So we will put this data into our graphics calculator. I've actually already done that. So you go to edit and you see that I've got it in here. So in my first column, I've got my T values, and here I've got my S values like that. And then we go to stat again, and we're going to analyze it. You go to calc, and you go to number 4, your linear regression, your linreg, and you get your AX plus B, and you say enter. And we've got to say that it's L1 and L2, and we say enter, and we get that. Now, these two values are the important values. We've got y is equal to ax plus b. Now your y is your s, that's the number of ice creams, that's your dependent variable. Your a is 3.56, we'll do to 3 significant figures. Your x is actually t, and then your b is minus 14.6. So there's your linear regression line. We can, if we plotted this up, I plotted this graph S against your temperature, you would get something like this, where this over here is minus 14.6, and this is your temperature. So we would be getting our values like this. Notice that this is a positive correlation. This R value, they don't ask you to talk anything about this, but this is your correlation coefficient, and because it's 0.826, it shows that there's quite a strong correlation between the temperature and the number of ice creams sold. What you are asked to do, so this is your answer for A. What you are asked to do for B, use your equation to predict the ice cream sales on a day where the maximum temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. So we will put in 24 into our temperature, so we're going to get S is equal to 3.56 times 24 minus 14.6, and you do that on your calculator, and when you do that you get about 70.84, which you round to 71 ice creams.